Sheridan here again with some more Wednesday wisdom to share with you. And in the month of August, I've been talking about my favorite things. These are objects that most of us have lying around our homes. Sometimes we have too many of them lying around our homes, actually. Well, I am going to show you how you can put them to good use. And today we are going to talk about eyeglass cases. So there's two kinds of eyeglass cases. There's the soft kind like this, or there's like the hard hinged kind like this. And actually both of them can be used. Sometimes you could use one or the other. Sometimes you need, you know, a specific one, but I'm going to show you some of the things that you can use these eyeglass cases for in terms of keeping yourself organized and making life a little bit simpler. So the first one I have is the one for this little hinge case. I actually have inside here already. It's a little nail kit. There's a bottle of nail polish and some clippers, an emery board. I even put tweezers and another size of clippers in here. So you can get a lot in these little things. Another thing you can use them for, last time we talked about prescription bottles and using them for storing charging cables and bricks, but if you don't have one of those, this is also a good little case for that. Also for earbuds, and you can use either kind of eyeglasses case for the earbuds, but they keep them from getting tangled up in your purse or your backpack. Another thing you can use the hinge kind for is if you have masks or tissues and you want to keep them clean but easy to grab, and always have some in your purse, you can put them in there and that'll safeguard them. For this kind, this is good for if you need to carry around something sharp. Like say you're going on a picnic and you don't want your knife to be dangerous. You can like put it in there as a little sheath for your knife. You can carry, if you need to carry a pair of scissors with you in your backpack or your purse, you can put those in there. Or again, if you're going on a picnic or you're going out to lunch and you want to keep your utensils clean, oh, can't get it in here, but you can put those in there as well. And that keeps them nice and clean and ready to grab. Some of the other things that you can use them for when you're traveling, you can put jewelry in them. You can actually use one of these. If you ever have one of these in your purse and you need an emergency ice pack, then just go get some ice, put it in a Ziploc bag and stick it down inside here. And that will, you know, keep it from being too cold. But that's a cool little use for that as well. You could use it for sewing kits, like make your own sewing kit, first aid kits. There's just so many uses, guys. The sky is the limit. So I hope that you will give this a try. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope that you will join me next week for some more Wednesday wisdom. I will be talking about more of my favorite things. Until then, keep it easy peasy.